In this video, I will walk you through an overview about squeeze pages. Now you might have heard about squeeze page, the term squeeze page being used all over the internet, especially if you are in the marketing niche. Now on this page you can see here, this is a product called PowerLink Generator from Mike Filsaime, a very popular internet marketer right now. And you can see on this page here, or on this domain name here, this link to be exact, there's a / index1.htm. This is actually not the main index page, but this is a normal direct response one web page or one site sales page, where it consists of a headline, the sales copy itself, and the order link. That means eventually it will just aim on getting the order. But a squeeze page is something like this. So I go on this tab, you can see this is the main URL. So if someone types in this URL, or even if an affiliate promotes this product using the normal affiliate URL, they'll be redirected to this page. So this page you can see there's very few sales copy in it, and there's a form for you to fill in, for the visitor to fill in. And basically it gives the visitor an incentive or an offer, a free offer like this one: instant access to a killer video course valued at 187 on this title here. So the prospect will get this for free. This is an incentive or an offer if they find out, or if they fill in their information or their contact information over here. And this is a more advanced method whereby it even forces the visitor to type in 3 email address of their friends to um, recommend this product. So once they have done all this, they will just click on get me started. So now you might be wondering why is it necessary to create a squeeze page, and why is it so popular? Basically there's one reason. There's a very simple reason, and that is it has been proven to increase sales conversion. And this is why, because marketing tests, this is a fact which you cannot deny. Marketing tests have shown that a visitor or a prospect who lands on your website will not make the first purchase, will not make their purchase on their first visit. That means if someone just browse through the internet, most likely 70% of the time the visitor will not make a purchase on your product. So for example, if this is the page which they first land on, okay, so more than 70% will not buy this product. They'll just leave the site and that's it. But by having a squeeze page, somehow it forces the visitor to put in their contact information, name and email, so that the marketer can follow up on them. So this will build relationships with the prospect, which eventually will, and it may become a customer, a future customer of this marketer. So this is the reason why, because once they fill in their information, the name and the email address, the information or the contact will be stored in an autoresponder system. So that autoresponder system will send a series of follow-up messages in a periodic time. Sometimes like in a space of 2 days or 1 day, you know, every 1 or every 2 days, an email will be sent to this prospect who fills in the name and the email address. So it will follow up on this product especially, so that in the future the the prospect will purchase or will make the purchase on this product. So once they have clicked on this button here, they will be redirected to the sales page over here. Okay, so even though if they don't make the first purchase, remember that they have already filled in the name and the email address, so the marketer can contact the prospect again to follow up and build relationships, and eventually that will be a long-term strategy to get more profits and customers. So basically that's what squeeze page is all about. In fact, actually it's just a term being used, and it is actually a normal lead capture page whereby you just type in a few, or you just write a few portion of the sales copy, okay, and it is designed to force the visitor or the prospect to fill in their contact information, to give the marketer their contact information, so that they can follow up. So on this page, it's normally very minimal. I mean, it doesn't write, or it doesn't write down the full features or benefits of the product, but instead it will ask the visitor to type in their email address, their contact information, so that they will get more information about the product later on. So this is just a way to follow up uh, on the prospect.